Welcome back everyone to another episode of Vegetarian Cooking with JJ. In this episode, we're going to be making a very simple and delicious Asian bowl. We're going to avoid the frying in this recipe, and it's going to be simple and delicious for anyone. So let's head over to our kitchen and get cooking. This is the delicious Asian bowl we're going to be making today. We have washed all our veggies. We have some Cremini mushrooms, bell peppers, fennel, our rainbow carrots, bok choy, ginger and garlic, half of a red onion, and some frozen edamame, non-GMO. So what we're going to do here is we're going to peel the peppers first because we want to kind of create this soft, fishy texture. That's what we're going for, like a red pepper salmon type of thing. That's what we're going for. And the peels you can use in the soup stock pot. So yeah, we're going for the smoked salmon style flavor. So it's easier if you roast it, but we don't have time for all that, because then you can peel off the skin very easily in that case. Okay, we have our peeled peppers and cut into chunks, and we're going to just put them in a dish here. And I just tore up some nori. It's about a sheet's worth, maybe a little bit less. I use it in different things, so about a sheet's worth is fine. And then we're gonna pour over our liquid smoke. We're going to pour over some rice vinegar, some soy sauce, some sesame oil. Just want to make sure it's completely coated. I need some more covering here. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit and marinate. You can pop it in the fridge as well. So I'm just gonna make strips of the carrots. I'm going to chop this in like so. Like so. So this is what we're going to do first. Get these outer layers off. Make it look good. Here's our shaved fennel, and I'm just going to slice up some yellow pepper just for some color here. And we're just going to slice some onion up. I'm going to make thin slices, more or less. And we're going to want to get a pot of water to a boil for our noodles. And I'm just going to chop up our ginger and our garlic. And I'm just slicing the Cremini mushrooms. adding the soba noodles to our boiling water. And I'm steaming the bok choy as well. So first we're going to add in our vegetarian oyster sauce. A little more than a tablespoon. That's it. And we have a rice vinegar we're going to put in. Just a bit of sesame oil, not too much this time. And we'll add our vegan Worcestershire sauce. Just a touch. And just a little bit of our miso paste. And I have some chili flakes here with a little bit of herbs that got into the mix too, accidentally. And just a bit of our maple syrup to balance all the flavors out. So back over to our pot, we're just going to very lightly boil these just to get them a little bit cooked. And we'll drain them well. We've got our various veggies here. You just want to soften them up. We just want to soften them up a little bit. The carrots I'll put in last. Briefly add the mushrooms as well. The carrots. And I have some Thai basil that I'm just going to chop up so that we can mix in. Pan set to medium. Just gave it a quick mix with the sauce and warmed it up so it's not too overcooked, but we want it to be nice and hot. So now it's time to put things in our bowl. Now for our vegan salmon touch. Going to scoop on some of the marinade here. The bowl is a little bit hot. Let me get that off of it. Safe. Okay, here we go. So I'll just put on some of our microgreens as well. Here we go. Nutritious and delicious. So I'm just going to do a quick taste test. There you have it, a nutritious and delicious meal. Very colorful and full of lots of nutrients. Happy cooking and happy eating. Bon appetit! Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and tune in every Monday for a new recipe.